All right, hello, my name is Jay. I'm with the outdoor program, and today I'm going to be talking about the 4-person Megalight tent, which is awesome for backpacking. It's super light, it's less than 2 pounds, and it really doesn't have that many parts. So first and foremost, we have a carbon fiber pole, and then we actually have the tent inside the bag. And just know that this is just a fly, so if you use this tent, you are going to use ground tarps because there's no bottom to this tent. And then also in here is we have the stakes, and this comes with 8 stakes. All right? Setting up this tent, it's really simple. So step 1, you're gonna lay the tent out in a square, right? And you wanna stake out the sides first. So with your 4 stakes, you're gonna put 1 stake in each of the corners. After you do that, you wanna go ahead and unzip the tent. And for step 2, you're gonna put the pole inside the tent. And there's a little teeny nook that the pole will go inside. At that point, the tent stands up and it looks like a triangle, almost. You're gonna go ahead and step out of the tent and zip it back down. And then step 3, with the remaining 4 stakes you have, you're gonna stake out in between each corner. So for each side of the tent, you're gonna go ahead and stake that out. And then your tent's all set up. If you have any questions, you can contact us at outdoors@mail.sfsu.edu. Enjoy your time outdoors.